Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that can revolutionize the way you manage lighting in your home, the TP-Link Tapo Smart Light Switch, specifically the S500 model. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what the Tapo S500 is all about. This smart light switch is designed to replace your traditional light switches, allowing you to control your home lighting using your smartphone or voice commands. It requires a neutral wire for installation and connects via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, making it a seamless addition to your smart home setup. The Tapo S500 comes in a convenient 4-pack, which is perfect for those looking to upgrade multiple switches at once. One of the standout features of the Tapo S500 is its app-guided installation. If you're not familiar with electrical wiring, this feature is incredibly helpful. The Tapo app takes you through the installation process step by step, ensuring that even those with minimal DIY skills can set it up effectively. However, if you're unsure or uncomfortable, consulting with a licensed electrician is always a wise move. Next, let's talk about voice control. The Tapo S500 is compatible with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This means you can easily control your lights using simple voice commands. Imagine coming home with your hands full of grocery bags or entering a dark room and being able to just say, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lights." It's that easy and incredibly convenient. Another feature that sets the Tapo S500 apart is its ability to control your lights from anywhere. Whether you're at home, at work, or even on vacation, you can monitor the status of your lights and turn them on or off using the Tapo app on your smartphone. This is especially useful for those who want to ensure their home looks occupied while they're away, which can help deter potential intruders. Speaking of security, the Tapo S500 includes advanced scheduling and timer functions. You can create timers and countdown schedules to have your lights turn on and off automatically, whether you're home or away. Plus, the Away Mode feature randomly switches your lights on and off to simulate occupancy, which is an effective way to add an extra layer of security to your home. So, who is this smart light switch suitable for? If you're someone who values convenience, security, and energy efficiency, the Tapo S500 is an excellent choice. It's perfect for busy families, tech enthusiasts wanting to build a smart home, or even individuals looking to enhance their home's security without breaking the bank. Now, let's discuss some practical use cases. You could set your porch lights to turn on automatically at sunset and turn off at sunrise, ensuring your home is always well lit when needed. For families with children, you might set up a timer for the kids' rooms to turn off after bedtime, helping to encourage a good night's sleep. And for those who travel frequently, the ability to control your lights remotely adds peace of mind, knowing you can simulate your presence at home. In conclusion, the TP-Link Tapo Smart Light Switch S500 is a reliable and user-friendly option for anyone looking to modernize their lighting. With its easy installation, voice control capabilities, and advanced scheduling features, it truly enhances the convenience and safety of your home. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.